Well, I figured you'd do a little update for the channel since I moved. Well, hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I muted the sound on this because it was very windy out and all you could hear was the wind. You couldn't hear me talking at all. So if you're wondering why my lips aren't moving with my words, it's because I'm doing a voiceover here. But I thought I'd do a little update here and show you what's going on in my life. I moved and I just got my shed delivered the other day and I've got the paint on it, as you can see, to seal it up. It's 8 by 12, so my working space is going to be quite a bit smaller than where I was. And but we'll make it work. I'm going to wire it, and I'll show you all that as I'm doing it. Here I'm going to open the door to get a little more light in so you can see the inside. I've started framing out where the benches and the shelves are going to go. That there is going to be for my sander and my grinder, and that low bench in the back corner there is 25, set at 25 inches, and that's where my lathe is going to sit. And that should put the center of my lathe at about 39 inches, which should be comfortable for me. I'm about 5'10", so should keep my tools down around my midsection. But yeah, I'm just kind of tacking the framing together. I have to get the wire tomorrow, and I'm going to drill and put the wires in. I'm going to put lights. And that, what I'm showing you there, is my miter saw, which is a floating miter saw. As you can see, floats back and forth, and it needs about 36 to 39 inches to function properly. So this little bench on that side is kind of sticking out, but I'm sure I can work around it. I'm hoping to put my bandsaw in the corner there, right where we're looking, where all that paint stuff is right now. In the back corner, I'm not sure how I'm going to set that up yet. I'm just winging this and kind of doing it as I go. But I will put some cross members up there for a little extra storage up in the rafters. And yeah, I'm anxious to get this all done, and I will keep updating you as the work progresses. Love yous all, and please like, share, and subscribe. It will help me immensely, and it helps my channel grow and be seen. Thank you so much.